Hi there, my name is Janna and the name of my business is Lilacpop Studio. I am located just outside the city of Detroit in downtown Ferndale. You can actually see Ferndale behind me in the window. I'm right in the heart of the downtown area, which I love. I am a professional photographer. I mostly shoot real estate. I've been doing it for 21 years now. And I also do commercial work, corporate events, and corporate portraits too. But that's kind of my main business. So with this virus coming out, it has definitely slowed down. And everyone's been asking, well, how can we support artists? How can we support businesses that are really, really struggling during this time? My husband is a chef at a restaurant in Detroit, and their staff is not getting paid right now, and they just set up a GoFundMe. So if you'd like to help them out, you can look that up. It's the Republic Detroit. But anyways, as for me, I'm still shooting a little bit here and there, but I'm taking this time to concentrate on the other side of my business because I can do that virtually, and I have a couple of shops on Etsy. Lilacpop.etsy.com and lilacpopphotography.etsy.com. So you can purchase my fine art photography in my photography Etsy shop, and then as far as the other one, I am also a metalsmith. So I love to recycle things. I take apart old machines. Not so much typewriters anymore, unless it's got something really special in it, but mostly adding machines, cash registers, stuff like that. So I take out the gears and I rework them with my own metal work and create one-of-a-kind pieces, usually fairly big statement pieces, but I also do little dainty things too. And I do custom work too, and hey, I have the time to do custom work. So if you have something you've been thinking about getting and now is the time, let me know, contact me. But also I've been really into making rings. Someone gave me a big bag of old rings that they didn't want anymore, and a lot of them were sterling silver, but they were men's spinner rings. And they were kind of cheesy style, like they were cool back in the 90s, but maybe not so much right now. But they were really nice sterling silver. So I started cutting them apart and taking out a chunk of it to resize it smaller, and then wrapping around the outside more sterling silver and then oxidizing it. So I'm really happy with the results. They've been really fun to make. You can see how it's got that nice little opening there. And this one is a size 8.5, so it fits on my index finger. And then I have another one in my Etsy shop that's a size 10. They could be a his and hers, matching. They actually would be kind of nice wedding bands if you were going for more of like a rustic kind of oxidized silver look. I made my husband's ring similarly too. But anyway, so I'm making a bunch of rings. I've been doing some earrings. Here's a good example of a sterling silver one that I just made. I have to make a matching one too. So I'm doing kind of modern, sleek designs lately, mixed with some of the gears in there too. So I'm trying to really get everything into my Etsy shop. I've been adding things every single day, so there's a lot in there. So if you get a chance to shop, check it out. Again, it's lilac, like the flower, pop.etsy.com. And if you'd like to support me, please pick something up there. I do have my work at Yellow Door Art Market in Berkeley as well, but they have closed their doors, but they are doing, they're planning on doing some virtual shopping as well, so you can pick up Lilacpop there. If you can't find it online, you can always just contact them, email, and ask, what I even have over there, because I have tons of things there. And yeah, I guess if you want to support me, please buy my art. If you're looking for any framed pieces, fine art too, I'm going to do a little video walkthrough of my studio and what I have available as well. So if you see something, feel free to just message me, and I'll let you know what the price is on that. So thanks for watching, and I'll keep posting as I make more things.